welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing our new slime. I already took it out, but I didn't touch it yet. So it's called Super Fluffy Slap. See, this is the packaging. A8 besides this. Oh my god, it just went almost fall. There's all different colors and I will tell you which one to do. Okay, so what we're going to review is these and these and this. So first we're starting with the yellow. So this one I haven't touched yet. It looks like it, but I'm touching it right now, so that's probably why. So we're going to squish it. Well, and I'm going to be rating them. Let's see our stretch. I think all of them are stretchy. Let me see. Stretch, bouncy. It is bouncy. I already checked it out. Yeah, it's bouncy. And mold. I don't know what that means. I guess it means there's stuff on it. But here is yellow. Yellow is probably the first one that opened. But this one is really cool. Oh no, it's sticked. Alright, so this is this one. Alright, the yellow one is really cool. If you wonder why my hair's wet, because I just took up. So this one is gonna be probably an 8 out of 10. That's really cool. Now, green. This one, look at the flat at the bottom because I kept it so down. I mean, it smells. All of these probably smell questionable. But just this looks like a mountain. Let's just squish it. Alright, hold up. Mama, stop. Okay. So we got this one. Alright. This is the green one. The green one stretch. Wow. It's really stretchy. It's really cool. And look at my fingers, sorry. Whatever. Same thing. Look, let's just squish out. So cool. Wow.
And after that,
this is
that's
so
when she walked
cool. Alright. So we got this one. Alright, so our next one, since we did yellow, we are gonna do pink. What's behind me? Oh. Yeah, I'm going to show these in our next one. This is the sneak peek. Alright, so this one, it's really stretchy. Really stretchy. Oh no, we don't want that going everywhere. Alright, so this one is, this one is really stretchy. It's really stretchy. So this one's pink. This one I rate 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. I mean 8 out of 10, sorry. This one might be, it smells better. I'll give this like a 9 out of 10. Next one is green. This one has like a flat because I sat it down so much. So this is the flat. No, it's. And then I do that. Look, it's. Hey, bro, I love this. This one is a 10 out of 10. Now we got purple. This one, stretchy. It's just really purple. Like in real life, it looks a little. In real life, it looks really dark, but like not on the thing because of light, it looks so light, but it's actually dark, y'all. Alright. So I got these. Got that. Squish. Like sugar and my tongue. tongue. Alright, so we got this purple one. This one is really... These ones sound the same. Don't even say it. This one, it kind of smells the same, so this one would be a 10 out of 10 also. No, actually 9.8 out of 10. Alright, so now we're going to go with the little ones. Alright, which one do you want to do? Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch the tiger's bad stuff. If you holler, let it go. Any, mini, miny, mo. Mo. Okay, so the little DIY one. I made this one. Alright. Let's stretch. Whoa. If this makes brown, I'll be so mad. It might make a color. Let's mix it real quick. Alright, it's mixing. It's just not really a... Kind of probably not a color, but it's turning out like this. The pink is going slowly. It's making like a off thing. I don't know. Oh, I think it's like a grayish blue. I think it's already, I already know what it's going to make, a grayish blue, see? To your probably it's like blue, but to mine is like gray blue. Like a gray blue probably, or it's just gray. I don't know, but like look at this. That is so cool. Alright, let's get that. Oh my goodness, this one feels so good. Now, our final, the orange. Alright, let's squish. Squish, squish. It's not that stretchy. Well, never mind. Alright, it's a green or orange. Alright, so let's get the preview. Here's our green. The preview. On this it looks teal, but it's green. Here is pink. Oh. Pink. Purple. This is purple. Orange. Alright, this is orange. A bluish teal. A bluish gray. Alright. Thank you for so much watching. Stay tuned until these. These are coming soon.